We need to segue back to the show and talk about Bethany's dance right now.
Okay.
What do you think?
She got tango. It's been a crazy week for her. She was in Australia doing this YouTube thing. Cool. So with that being said, they haven't had a lot of time to practice, but I don't think it really shows. She's looking pretty strong. As I'm looking at her dance, though, her frame is a little interesting. A woman's frame is supposed to be this beautiful picture, and right now you see this arm extended out, really locked, really straight, having a little bit of tension put into it when it shouldn't be. It should be stretched to a finesse with their partner. So that's a little awkward for me. Her posture's good. She's connected with Derek, body to body, which is always wanted in the tango. Her footwork looks good. She's actually using her feet properly. The one thing I would say is that it's lacking a little bit of snap. Tango is kind of aggressive. You take your partner and you jerk them around, snap their heads. It's very intense. So we're missing a little bit of that. She missed her footing once in this routine just now. And then her, like I said, her frame arm is just awkward. It's like she's pointing in a direction.
We talk about the celebs here, and we talk about how their fan bases and how we're getting to know them. As far as Bethany's concerned, how do you feel? Do you feel you're getting to know Bethany the person?
I like Bethany. I think that with Bethany, she I don't know if she thinks she's as good as she really is. I think week to week she kind of second guesses herself. And you can see her looking to Derek, looking for that kind of approval through her dances. But if she would just be confident and go out there and trust in Derek and trust in this process, she'd be phenomenal. She lacks confidence, I think, with her performances, but maybe that's because she's used to being behind a computer all the time. Yeah,
well, I mean, we saw 2 or 3 weeks ago she's talking about being bullied when she was a little bit younger.
Right.
And she's slowly getting better and opening up, but maybe that plays into it.
Well, this is a hell of a way to do it.
Yeah, certainly front and center. Yeah. As far as where she started and where she is now, what do you think? Are you happy with the progress? Are you seeing progress?
Yeah, I am seeing progress. There's just little tiny weird flaws that she has. The arm, for example, maybe not being super sharp or super fluid. So once she kind of breaks through that and understands how that feels, she's going to be unstoppable. She has a great partner in Derek, and she looks great week to week, and I think that she's just one of those girls that needs to trust herself a little bit more.
When it comes down to it, Derek is always there at the end. What is it about him? Any celeb you put him with, he seems to be able to bring the best out of them.
He pushes very hard. Derek is a nice guy. He's silly. He's fun. But when it comes down to having rehearsals, he is so strict and so full out all the time. He has the most energy I've ever seen out of anybody in my entire life. I have a lot of energy, and he, trumps me. It's insane.
And I guess the celebs feed off that energy. Is that what it is?
I think so. I think they also just don't want to disappoint him because he's so all right, let's go, let's do this. You kind of feel like, oh, crap, I need to have some coffee. Let's do this, So, but with that, I like the fact that he actually gave a straightforward tango, and he didn't do any of the weird hip-hop influences or contemporary influences or whatever. I think it's cool that he gave her a straight-up tango.
All right, so as far as scores go, what do you think? What are you expecting?
I think she deserves 9s. She made a couple of bobbles. She had one part where she kind of lost her footing, and her frame was a little weird, so that could possibly give her an 8. But I think that she should get 9s. We'll see what happens. What is happening? Why is Leah smacking him with a microphone?
I'm not sure.
Did you see that?
Yes.
She was completely hitting him in the face.
All right, well, the highest scores of the night so far. You were right.
Here, one thing that I think that they got a 9 for is it was energetic and it was a straightforward tango. It wasn't like a contemporary rumba or a hip-hop salsa. It was straightforward tango. He gave a true dance, and I think that's one of the first ones we've seen on this show in a very long time.
So